Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So there was a period of like 6 months where I feel like I really hit a plateau in my body. Like I wasn't necessarily trying to lose weight, but I wasn't seeing any more muscle definition. I wasn't like feeling as good as I felt like I should be for how hard I was working out and how healthy I was eating. And I had been doing intermittent fasting for years. So I decided to try something a little different. I was kind of feeling hungry in the mornings again. And honestly, I did intermittent fasting mostly because it was just really convenient because it's busy in the morning and it's hard to make sure you're getting breakfast every day. But I decided to try to eat breakfast every morning and see what happened. And honestly, I was pretty surprised because I instantly not only started feeling better, I was working out harder and I saw more results. Like my body was leaner, more toned, and I actually was losing some of that excess fat that had been like hanging on for those like 6 months or so. So I wanna take you through a week and show you exactly what I eat for breakfast because I know the mornings are so busy. It is hard to not only eat something, but eat something that is good for you. But these recipes that I'm gonna show you throughout the week are so simple. Most of them take like 5 minutes or less. So there's no excuses not to eat breakfast. And I know once you do, you're going to start feeling so much better, but also seeing better results. All right, so let's spend the week together. We're gonna wake up and make breakfast Monday through Friday, so you can see how simple it is to eat healthy even on the busiest days. Mondays are always the busiest and craziest, so I'm just gonna do a smoothie this morning, but I had an idea. I think I'm gonna start timing every breakfast this whole week so you can see exactly how long it takes. You know what to expect when you're making these recipes. So before I grab all my stuff for a smoothie, I'm gonna go ahead and start the watch. Does it even count if you don't lick the spoon after? Normally Luke takes them from me, but he's not here right now, so I get it. It took 3 minutes and 1 second and 6.62 seconds, I don't know how you say that, 62 milliseconds, to make a delicious protein-packed, nutritious smoothie. This one is so good for your belly. It has so many amazing prebiotics and probiotics to help with digestion and all the stuff for your skin and that natural beauty. It just is like a glowing, better belly. It's gonna make you feel good in the morning and kind of get things moving too. Crows. There's these birds outside that are so freaking loud. And they just sit in the tree and I go out all day and clap at them to get out of here and they keep coming back. It drives me crazy. Okay, well, I'll talk loud. Happy Tuesday, you guys. Today I'm gonna do a breakfast scramble that's like savory oats and eggs because I love to always get like my carbs and proteins for my breakfast. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. I think it's gonna probably take about 5 minutes, but we'll see. Two eggs, I have my oats, some spinach. Let's get into it. 4 minutes and 22 seconds, you guys. Stop it. I told you. Ugh, nailed it. I just got one of those things, like, you know the memes or whatever that are like, I was today years old when I, whatever. I feel like that was savory oats. Like, it was like, I was today years old when I realized oatmeal didn't have to be sweet. Like, you can make it savory and delicious, and I love this because then you're getting your carbs, getting your proteins. I'll sometimes do avocado on here or add in other veggies. But this is such a simple, fast breakfast that you can make to make sure you're getting all of your nutrients in the morning, any day of the week. So I actually have the whole rest of the week's meals planned out. Some weeks I end up just eating the same thing most days, but I always make a special breakfast on Wednesday because Wednesdays are the days that we have the longest, slowest morning together as a family. It's the middle of the week too, which I feel like sometimes feel like blah. So I want to make it feel special. So we're gonna do amazing protein pancakes tomorrow that are so yummy and literally take like 2 minutes. They're the fastest things ever, but they feel like you're having like a brunch in the middle of the week. So I'll show you guys that recipe tomorrow, obviously. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do like strawberries or blueberries. Like, they're very different. They're both berries, obviously. Are you more of a strawberry person? I feel like I lean toward blueberries always, but I kind of want to mix it up a little bit. I'll ask Luke his opinion, see what he thinks. But for now, I'm gonna eat this, do a little bit of work, and then get my workout in for the day. I'm about to share one of my favorite breakfasts, but real fast, you guys remember like a month ago I shared that I started trying out the Ritual multivitamins? Well, I just got their Synbiotic Plus, which is more than just like a typical probiotic. It actually has prebiotic and postbiotics as well, and they're clinically studied, which, you know, I absolutely love. So it's a 3-in-1 to really help support overall gut health. It helps with the good bacteria in your gut and helps reduce the bad bacteria and with your immunity. So the great thing about this is you can take it any time of day. It has like a nice minty flavor, and it doesn't have to be refrigerated, which a lot do. The other really cool thing about this is it actually has a delayed release to help it reach your colon. So a lot of ones I've tried before, like they just go to the stomach. It's not going to actually have any benefits. So you're wasting your money. But this actually makes it to the colon to give you the most bang for your buck, if you will. It's actually working with your body. And I feel like it's helped me with morning bloat. I feel like it really has helped with my regularity. So if you guys want to check it out and try it too, I'll put a link down below. So thanks again to Ritual for sponsoring this video so I could share all this. The code gets you 25% off. It's just LoveSwiftFitness25. So check that out. And let's get into breakfast. Good morning, guys. Happy Wednesday. I'm going to go get the boys up in just a bit because Wednesday mornings are slow mornings, which means I try to make like a little bit more of a special breakfast. We actually like all have breakfast together because most mornings it's like different timing. And I just love it because we get a little extra time. It kind of makes it feel like the weekend, but I'm making those pancakes this morning and they're gonna be bomb. And I'm gonna do blueberry. We're gonna mix it up a little bit. Here's a great thing about my protein pancake recipe. Not only does it only take a couple minutes, but you can really swap in any fruit you like. So if you're like not a blueberry person, that's fine. Do like literally anything. Strawberries, berries, banana, does not matter. And I have like one little secret ingredient that I add at the end that just makes it so perfect. Like, you're gonna die when you try these. Baby, are you ready for pancakes? Yeah. You want pancakes?
Yeah. You get 5 pancakes?
Yeah, let's make up.
Yeah.
Can we get your little stool?
Yeah.
All right. Daddy, you want Daddy to get it?
I'll get it.
Okay, perfect. We got a stool, one stool. Perfect. You want to get in it?
Yeah. Come on up. Come on up.
Okay, we're gonna need 1 banana. Yeah.
Okay, you get the pancakes made. I'm just gonna eat the banana.
I know. Do you want an egg?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get an egg. And we need some oats.
Yeah. Can you be careful with the egg?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we need some milk. So that we kind of got a head start. I've been timing them every morning. So let's see. How long do you think the pancakes usually take?
15 minutes?
No.
To finish?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. 5?
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna try. I feel like mixing it's gonna take like 1 minute. Cooking them is like 2 on each side usually. So we'll see how long it goes. All right.
You want me to open it?
You ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna reset from yesterday. And we start now. There we go.
Yeah. Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah.
No, you can eat that. We gotta put it in the
pancakes. Let's dump it in there.
Keep it in, okay, here. Can you put it in there?
So to be fair, I have help today, but if I was doing this on my own, it would take way less time. So it's gonna actually slow me down.
Keep it in there.
But in the best way possible.
Not to eat. Not yet. Put in the pancakes.
You want a tiny bite of it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Like, give me the big piece. Okay, ready? And put our egg in. Oh no, the little shell, I see it.
Ooh.
Okay, some oats. Should we put these in?
Yeah.
You want 2% or the?
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Baba.
Yeah, Baba, it's your milk. And let's get some cinnamon.
Nana.
Here's my little
Smells nice, huh?
blender. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're gonna go down?
No.
Okay. You don't want to be near this?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good job.
No.
Technically 6 minutes and 45 seconds until the pancakes are done. But if you took Ryan and Luke out of the mix and I was just making these on my own,
Hey.
I mean, it's true. It'd probably be like not even 5 minutes. But it was fun. It's more fun when you do it together. But if you're trying to make this fast in the mornings on your own, it's still fast. It's under 10 minutes. But it'd be like less than 5. Are you ready?
Mama.
Yeah, baby. Okay. We gotta let it get hot so it gets a little melty and then we can spread it everywhere. It's too hot. It's hot. Is that not too hot for you?
Yeah.
Is that other plate over here?
It's piping hot. Yeah. Whew. Blow. Blow. It's too hot. You take a bite.
Should I try it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mmm. It's delicious.
Mama.
It's so good.
You want to try it?
Yeah. Mmm.
Mmm.
Yum.
All right, it's Thursday morning, and today I'm gonna make one of my all-time favorite breakfasts. My all-time favorite is a breakfast burrito. I'm not gonna do that today because it's like a little extra, but this is like second in line. It's so freaking good. I make it at least once a week, and it's one of like the staples in my meal plan. But real fast, I need to clean up my office because I was trying to work at my desk, and this is my chair currently. I just like, it doesn't work. I don't know about you. I need a clean space because my head is already so disorganized sometimes. Like, it just doesn't help. So I'm gonna clean that up. Then I'm gonna make my classic, amazing breakfast sandwich, and I'll show you guys how I do it because it's so simple and such a good one to meal prep. So I got distracted editing and I realized I never turned the temperature down and I let it cook a little too long. It's like right borderline being overcooked and the egg ended up sliding off, so it's kind of funky. But at the end of the day, like, it doesn't really matter because it's gonna taste delicious. So I'll put the actual like how to cook it so that it doesn't get overcooked for you. But these are good because you can cook them and then just wrap them up in foil, put them in the freezer, like make a bunch of them in their air fryer. And the more you have in there, the less the egg will slide. And then you have them for like the week. So I like to do these ahead of time because it just makes it an easy, really yummy breakfast sandwich to grab and go. The turkey sausage in there is so flavorful and yummy, so you don't really need much else. But you could add a little avocado, hot sauce, whatever. But look at this bad boy. Mmm, so good. Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. It is early. I normally don't eat breakfast this early. It's like not even 7 o'clock yet. I'm gonna go wake Luke up in a minute, but I'm gonna make us some just like quick, kind of, instead of like overnight chia pudding, on the go chia pudding, so we can have breakfast at the beach. Because Friday mornings we usually try to go to the beach for a couple hours before I start my work day. So I'm just gonna pack that up, and by the time we eat it in like an hour or so, it's gonna be perfect. So I'm gonna show you how I make it for a quick cheat chia pudding. All right, 2 minutes and 57 seconds. I was very close. Honestly, I think cutting the banana took the longest of anything. Okay, chia pudding is not for everyone, but I actually like doing it this way better because it gets it a better texture. It's not as like gelatinous, you know what I mean? Like the little balls, which I feel like is what weirds people out. And it makes it so you can eat it instantly. It doesn't have to like sit in the fridge, or you don't really have to even wait. I'm gonna wait until we get to the beach, but like, it's nice, it's just ready to go. And the great thing about doing chia is in one serving, which is 3 tablespoons, you get 10 grams of fiber. So that's like about a third of your recommended for the day. You're good to go with a little breakfast. I added the banana and some hemp seed and coconut for a little texture and crunch and more flavor, but this is perfect for both of us. It's a single serving, but I gave him a little bit too. He's gonna have some other stuff, but it's just an easy, quick breakfast. All right, so that's everything I eat in a week for breakfast, Monday through Friday. On the weekends, we go out sometimes, or I'll make like eggs. I kind of mix it up, but hopefully this helps. You guys are short on time and just wanting like a healthy breakfast during the week. And so many of them can be meal prep too. But if you like this and you want to see like what I eat for lunches and what I eat for dinners, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and let me know which one would be most helpful for you, and I'll do that one next. All right, love you guys. See you soon. Bye.